att någon på moppe vägde finger för mig när jag gjorde så här. Hello there, citizen. Is this fence electric? Can you put it? What is up, guys? We're back again. A brand new motorcycle shenanigans. We're here with Anklebreaker doing his little jumpy jump. He has a new bike again. That's becoming his MO. New bike, McG. And I'm still on my old bike. I'm convinced they can hear me when I make sounds. Or am I just that good at timing stuff? Because there, I just said vroom vroom. That's all I said. And he did a vroom vroom. I think he can hear me. I don't know how. I haven't figured out the science yet. Oh, motorbike! He always gets excited when he sees a motorbike. He's like a little dog. Like a little dog with the mailman. But instead, it's bike. Hello! Hello! Anklebreaker back! Oh! Is it true that you have video on the way?
Yes.
Oh, you have video on the way! Very epic!
Ah, he wanna look at the car. I told you, he gets very excited motorbike and cars. There's a moped gang as well. Very nice! And we kept up pretty good. Now I don't wanna over exaggerate, but we're basically faster than a McLaren. Oh, admit it, that looked sketcy.
It's very sad. Look at it, they massacred my boy. Oh no. Oh, can you put it? That looks good. That won't be a danger at all. It won't fly in the wheel. No, that looks pretty good.
Plus 5 horsepower.
It's gonna go way faster now.
Oh my god, it's a cat.
Be careful.
Right, guys. Me and Danof just got married. This is our house right here.
We bought it. You know, I love the porch.
Yes.
A place for the kids to play.
Yeah. So we don't have any kids, but we like to watch other kids play here. That's not creepy.
It's not creepy. It's cute.
And here's our house.
Well, go inside, honey.
I bought it online on wish.com, so I don't know.
We had to build it ourselves.
Yeah.
It's only like häftmassa everywhere.
Yes.
Yeah.
As you can see, we don't have any beds.
But we do have 2 stoves, 1 sink, an oven, I think. Okay, not oven, something else.
Babe. I think I want a divorce.
You come here often? No. Oh! They don't text and drive! Hello! What are you doing? Stop! Pull over!
Sorry!
Do you know what you're doing? It's dangerous!
I just got a note from Big Rider!
Oh, let me see! Is he taking a phone call? I'll go around.
I said she just called me. She wants to Netflix and chill.
Oh! Yes. Go then! Why are you still here?
Your mom.
Oh.
But she's a very nice lady.
She is a very nice lady. You know, I can accept that the Bake Rider hangs out with my mom because she's a nice lady and he's also very nice, but he's taking the Baked Rider from me? Why is he sending nudes to him and not me? If anyone deserves nudes from the baked rider, it's me, goddammit. Oh yeah, I missed it. I totally missed it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Anklebreaker. I don't know the length of my arms. I'm starting to think that's a problem. Every time I want to slap something, I always miss it first because I don't know how long my arms are. or a short there. No, long. They're not short, they're long. I have long arms, don't worry about it. Where did he go? Where did he go? Whoa! Look at him go. This looks kind of aesthetic. This could be like a movie scene. Explore the wildlands.
You wanna come here, little boy. You wanna go off-road on this little horse thing?
Don't know about that. Can du göra?
I don't know. Oh, he can go fast and shit. I can't really. Oh,
So much smoke. There's a lot of horse shit. Don't mind us, just two boys being boys. Hello there, citizen. I can't really go too fast. My wheels already be spinning. I can't go up there, you man.
do you dare to take a challenge? I mean, this is going pretty well so far. Hope I don't jinx myself. If I put in an edit where it says then I crashed and died, I jinx myself. I want to hit my head in that and feel tall. Oh, I did it. Oh, sketchy.
I'm not doing that.
Oh, very epic. Is this fence electric? We don't need cameraman if I put my helmet perfect. Nej, jag kan testa med mina gloves, se om någonting händer. No, it's not electric. That's a very bad way of testing it. I hope he gets attacked. That is so good content. Heavy ass bike. That was unnecessary mean. I'm sorry, bike. Oh, almost didn't start there. That was shady. Ooh. Very nice.
You trying to get me killed, boy? Oh, thank God. So we drove around a little me and Anklebreaker here, and now we're gonna pick up one of his mates. So we're gonna see how that. Why is he still going behind that moped? I think it waved back. You know, in his own way, I think the dog waved back there. You know, he can't wave back. He has paws. He needs to walk. I think he mentally, you know, with his head was like, "What's up, Anklebreaker? What you doing? You riding?" And stuff like that. You know, all that basic stuff. All that dog stuff. You know, dogs, being men, being played. Been recording. Sit. God damn it, a double this. We really be simping out here giving waves to
Moped females. We shouldn't have done that in the first place. That's on us.
I bet you missed some good old hooligan foot placements, leg on tank hooligan trick. You know, I'm a stunter.
You and me. No, what? No. Go away.
He just pushes your electric start down. He's the opposite. He's the anti-kill switcher. He turns your bike back on. Someone kill switch you, he comes up next to you. And then he leaves. Alright there, boys. Scared the bejesus out of them.
Okay, just instructions real quick. Calm down. Du kan hålla antagligen på dina knän. Du kan hålla mig här. Vissa håller på axlarna. Så länge du inte håller huvudet liksom. Hur långt bak sitter du?
Jag vet inte. Jag är närmare.
Ja, alltså då sitter du bättre.
Wow. Ja, om du håller i dig mer nu. Ja. Flyger direkt av.
Ja, här är vackert här. Åh, det blir inte mycket bättre.
Nej, det blir det inte.
Såg du att någon på moppe begade finger för mig när jag gjorde så här?
Ja, jag bara vinkar tillbaka.
Jag hoppas de säger åt honom på skarpen nu, de som kommer.
Ja, igen. Oh, goddamn. I'ma just stop.
Wow. Come on, man. Oh. Hey, don't worry about it.
And a special thank you to Patreon Adam Page RC and Holistic Gamer.